The former municipal slaughterhouse from the early 20th century in Madrid has been transformed into the Matadero Contemporary Art Center in 2006. Each renovation was designed by a different firm that brought their own approach, working together with the 48 existing buildings. The site includes spaces for dance, film, and visual art, as well as a cafe and a plaza. The new elements contrast with the existing structures in a sympathetic way. Exhibits on design, as well as contemporary media, are on display. See a performance or an exhibit and grab something to eat or drink in the cafe. Be sure to see the Center for the Arts in Madrid.